Hi students, welcome back. In the previous class, we discussed the term of atomic mass and molecular mass. Okay, so now today we're going to know about the mole concepts. Okay, why this mole concept is invited? Yes, in an analytical balance, you check the mass values is always very small. So that type of mass values you get the analytical balance. So in this analytical balance, in a closed vessels, doesn't get any appear of air molecules, the value will be exactly given. But in the condition of vessels will be open, that make what? The blow or air will be going to the open vessels, that make what? The molecules of atoms, either mass will be variation. So doesn't get the correct mass will doesn't appear in the open vessels. That make what? To be introduced one of the new concept. Doesn't matter what of microscopics and microscopics. The values will be considered. The new concept was established, that is called what? Mole concepts. What is this mole concept? Yes, the mole means 1 mole is equal to the numbers. How much number? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms, either particles. Okay, this is the number is 1 mole. Okay students, let me check. What's the meaning of 1 mole? 1 mole you have the molecules, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. 1 mole andre ishtakke equal agirutte anta meaning. For example, I taken to you 1 mole of books. You add some of the books, that is what? 1 mole of books, that is equal to what? This much of values, 6.00 into 10 to the power of 23 books. Either we call as 1 mole of pen, it is completely equal to the 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 pens. That's the example to given. So now going to the definition of what's the mole. Okay, see students, this is the definition. 1 mole is the amount of substance. Did you remember SI units? This is the amount of substance is one of the SI units. Did you remember what are the SI units? Important SI units, which are those 7? Yes. Meter, kilogram, seconds, Kelvin, ampere, candela, and one more is mole. If you remember, this mole is SI unit of what? Amount of substance. Okay, don't forget those SI units of 7s. Okay, 1 mole is the amount of substances that contain as many particles, either atoms or ions or molecules, whatever the particles, or entities. Entities means units. Some of the units, as they are atoms, is exactly 1 mole of the amount of a substance is exactly equal to the 12 gram of the carbon-12 isotopes. Either we call it as 12 gram, it is replaced by 0.012 kg. This is the value of equal to the amount of any type of you taken a particles, that is equal to what? 12 gram of the 12 carbon isotopes. Why you taken 12 carbon isotopes? This is important. This is one of the stable isotopes in the universe. That's why we taken only the carbon-12 isotopes, because of stable isotopes. That's why we taken the carbon-12 isotopes. So, ಇದರ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 1 mole of amount of any substances ಅದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, that is exactly equal to the 12 kg, I mean say 12 gram of the carbon-12 isotopes ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so ಅದು ಏನಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. First thing, carbon-12 atom one of the carbon 12 isotopes na values of mass estirutte. Mass is equal to 1.992648 into 10 to the power of minus 23 grams. This is the value of one carbon atom mass. Okay, how much number of carbon atoms is present? 12. 12. This is a atomic mass number. This is what? Number of 12 atoms. Weight. This is 12 grams. Is the weight 12 grams? So this is a calculated divided by calculation. 12 gram per mole, 12 atoms into divided by 1 point. Otherly 1 gram on 1 atom, 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. The value will be come from this much. This is what? 6.022137 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms either mole. Okay? This is generally we called as 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. This is what? Na, capital N and A. This is what? Avogadro constant. Okay? This is Avogadro constant. This is what? Your 1 mole of any substances is equal to 602 epsilon. This much of values to be equal. This is the term of beautiful concept said what? 12 gram of isotopes values is to value equal agirutte. This is invented by Omedio Avogadro. This is the scientist. We represent the values of 6.002 into 10 to the power of 23 Avogadro constant. Omedio Avogadro. Okay, students, let me know about some examples to be identified these terms. So, what are those examples? One mole of oxygen atom. Atom, how much value to be equal? Yes, 6.22 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen atom equal ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. This is the meaning of mole concept. ನೀವೆಷ್ಟು ಅಂತಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 1 mole of this is atom. Oxygen molecules. Oxygen molecules. This is what? Yes, the same number I did not repeat it. 6.0022 into the power of 2 oxygen molecule will be equal. Okay. So 1 mole of oxygen ion, either plus or minus, oxygen ions, what will they equal? This is the same number, 6.002 minus or plus ions. Okay, it is indicated what? Means to be forming of what? Atoms, ions, molecules, which are those? Anyone. This is exactly equal to the 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Which one you taken that much of? Atoms, or ions, or molecules. This is the concept for represented by mole concepts. Okay? Meaning ಏನು? ನೀವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀರೋ ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಏನು? ಮೋಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್. Molar mass. What is the meaning of molar mass? Yes, the mass of molar mass. What the same of explanation is? The mass of 1 mole. 1 mole of a substance. 1 mole of a substance. It represent what? Grams. is called molar mass. Okay, students, this is the explanation of the definition is molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance. 1 mole of a substance or amount of a substance. Okay, this is called what? In represents gram alli ನಾವು represent ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ molar mass ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, so given an example to the molar mass of water. You remember the water? How much of the water? Water is 1.00 into twice plus oxygen is 16 into 00. That make what? This is 80.02 in our molar mass of water molecules. Okay, 18.U. U is what? Atomic mass unit, unified mass. This unit will be represented in a gram. That is what? 80.02 gram per mole. This is what? Molar mass. Atomic mass units of unified is same value should be converted in a gram representation. Gram alli ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ represent ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? molar mass ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Not only consider a molecule, either atom, either ions, whatever. This is the unit, unified mass, atomic weight will be converted to get what? Gram. It is called what? Molar mass. For example, another one of the example you taken NaCl. Molar mass of NaCl. How much of NaCl? This is Na is 23. This is Cl is 35.5. Total is 58.5. The last class, remember, this is what? Unified mass. So this is convert in a gram representation. 58.5. This is a gram. Okay, this is called what? Molar mass. So many examples you taken. Oxygen atom, how much value? This is a gram equivalent of 16U. This is represent 16 grams. Oxygen atom, oxygen molecule 2 is there. So 2 means what? 32 units. This is 32 grams. So same like whatever it atoms or molecules, U is what? Atomic mass, unified mass units. This is convert to get gram equivalents. This is called what? Representation in gram. This is called what? Molar mass. Okay. So next was important term simplified. So the terms of just to remember easily to convenience. So terms of atomic mass. Atomic mass. This is a molar mass. This is molecular mass. Okay, little bit confusion. Still this through. How did you identify these three? Clarify it. Atomic mass, molar mass, molecular mass. Atomic mass. Atomic mass means mass of one atom. Just know it. Atomic mass, U representation, mass of one atom. Just you take one atom to get the values of mass. This is called what? Atomic mass. What about molar mass? Yes. Molar mass means what? Mass of 1 mole particles. This mass is equal to what? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 mole. The SI unit of amount of substance is what? Amount of substance is representation mole, but represent this mole is the SI unit of amount of substance. So this is a mole, either atom or molecule, whatever it. So in this we classify two types. This is what? Atom, either molecule. Because of molar mass we can identify atoms, ions or molecules. So atom and molecules. So in this atom the representation of molar mass in a gram. So ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ represent ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that make what? Gram atomic mass. The molecule we represent in the molecules what? Gram molecular or molecule mass. We represent what? This is GAM. In this called what? GMM. Okay, students. What about molecular mass? Molecular mass what? Mass of one molecules. Mass of one molecule. Okay, students. Atomic mass. Mass of one atom. One atom in a mass and identify ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ atomic mass ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Molecules means what? Two or more same atoms or different atoms combine to get a forming these molecules. Molecule ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಟಮ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್. ಅದರ ಮಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? Mass of one mole particles, either atoms, either molecules. In a mass is represented by 6.00 into 10 to the power of 23 mole. In a atom agidre gram atomic mass anta karithivi GAM. Either molecule either gram molecular mass, this is called GMM. So simplified unified mass is converted to get gram, this is called what? Molar mass. Okay, students. Next, we move on to the percentage of compositions. Percentage of compositions. Percentage of composition. Okay, what's the meaning of percentage of composition? Yes, first thing is composition. Compositions means the presence of elements in a molecule, any type of molecule. For example, you take a marker. What is the molecules are present? RNH3. This is a molecule is one is an atom and one of the composition is H, another composition is water, another composition is nitrogen, another one is hydrogen. So this is the compositions. You identify how much percentage of purity in a given sample by analysis the data. That means what? Percentage of composition means the purity of a given samples by analysis of the data. So in hydrogen molecules, how much of percentage of composition is present in this molecule? We calculate, that is called what? Percentage of composition. Very easy to knowing one by one. So first thing, the percentage of composition definition is what? The percentage of composition means mass of percentage and elements. Whatever in elements in a percentage ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So is exactly equal to the mass of that element in the compound into 100 divided by molar mass of the compound. Okay, students, this is the definition to get the values. Mass of percentage and elements is equal to the mass of that elements, the molecules of that element in a compound. That compound mass is important, into 100 divided by molar mass of that compounds. A compound na molar mass na tilkobeku. One example, they can clearly know about that. So water molecule. Okay. First thing, water molar mass, how much? Already know it. This is molecule is 2, hydrogen atom into 1.008, okay, plus oxygen is 15.008. 99. It is commonly ground figure 16, right? So this is how much? 18.02 U, that is unified mass. This is converting a molar mass, that is what? 18.02 gram. Clear, students? How much of molar mass in water molecules? That is 18.02 grams. Okay. 18.02 grams. So, ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು? Percentage compositions of an element. Which are the elements is present in a water molecules? One is hydrogen, another one is oxygen. Let me check first one of hydrogen. Hydrogen molecule na percentage ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಈ molecule ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have to be calculate. Very simple. Mass of an hydrogen, mass of percentage in hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom in a mass ಅನ್ನು ಈಗ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So mass of that elements in the compound. ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿದಾವೆ? 2 elements. ಅದರ mass ಎಷ್ಟು? 1.008 into 100. Clear, students? Mass of that elements in the compounds. A compound ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು mass ಇದೆ? 2 hydrogen element ಇದೆ. The mass ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1. Then molar mass of that compound. Molar mass of that compound. Water na molar mass ಎಷ್ಟು? 18.02 grams, right? So ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get what? 11.18% of hydrogen atom molecules. Okay? So then mass of percentage in oxygen atom. So oxygen how much? Only one. That mass is 60 into 100 divided by 18.02. So how much of percentage you get? This is divided by the values. You will get how much values? 88.79. This much of percentage of compositions present in water molecule of oxygen. Oxygen 88% ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Hydrogen atom values 11.8. This is about identify percentage of compositions. Okay, students. So next, one more example you take an ethanol. You take an ethanol. C2H5OH. In the previous class already we discussed about ethanol, how much molecular or molar mass of ethanol. Calculate the values. Carbon is 12 into 2, hydrogen is 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, don't get confused. 5 hydrogen plus 1, 6 into 1.008 plus oxygen molecule is a molar mass, I mean say molecular mass of oxygen is 60. Overall we calculate it, that make we get 46.068 grams. We represent in the molar mass in a gram. So it's there, you did calculate it. Okay. So carbon is still there. The carbon values is 12.01, hydrogen values is 1.008 and oxygen values is 60. It's talking calculate part. Okay. So next to percentage of composition element. First we take carbon elements. Carbon mass of percentage in carbon atom. So how much of carbon atom presents in carbon atom? 2. 2 into how much of carbon? 12.01 into 100 divided by 46.068. This is how much calculated mass of same composition in hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom is how much of hydrogen atom? 6 into 1.008 into 100 divided by 46.068. Right, students? One more is there, oxygen atom. Oxygen atom, it is how much? 60. Only the one hydrogen atom into 16 into 100. Because only one. so 46.008. Then calculate it. These values will be carbon atom. How much values will be come from these carbon atoms? 52.14 grams. This is 13.13 grams. This is 34.73%. This is a values of percentage. Students, the carbon atom will giving a high percentage in these molecules. Okay, 52 gram percentage, 13 grams and 34 percentage. Okay, students, so let me one more. You calculate in your own work like this is third one. This is what? Na2SO4, sodium sulfate. Then calculate the sodium sulfate values. Thus some hints like sodium molecular weight, atomic mass weight is 23, sulfur atomic mass weight 32, oxygen is 60. Overall will be calculated. This is how much will get the molar mass values. Will sodium sulfate molar mass is 142 barrel. Okay. Then calculate each one of the elements. Each of the elements of the percentage of composition you can calculate. This is like one of the example you solve it. Okay, students, clear? This is about the percentage of composition. The last is molar mass and mole concept. Okay, next we move to the empirical formula and molecular formula. Okay, students, next to empirical formula. Okay, empirical formula means, see, the formula of a compound which gives the simplest whole number ratio of the same atoms of a various elements present in the one molecule of a compound. Very simple. I give an example and then get clarified. So one of the example you take H2O2. Okay, students, this is what? Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. Okay, students. See here, how much of hydrogen present? 2 elements. Oxygen is 2 elements. This is a common factor. What is the common factor? Common factor, how much of factors of common? 2. In the both sides of elements, commonly we get knowing about 2 is a common factor. So this is simplest. The formula of a compound, this is a compound, which gives simplest whole number. The whole numbers will be simplest one, simplest form. How did you get a simplest form? This is 1:1 ratio. The simplest form is HO. Okay, students? The whole number ratio of the same element. This is the same element. Okay, here also H, here also O, this is also H, this is also O. This is the same atoms of various elements, extraordinary elements present in a one molecule of a compound. This is called what? Empirical formula. Empirical formula, this is simplest whole number ratio. This is the example. Okay, one more take an example is C6H12O6. This is what? Yes, glucose. Okay, students. So see here, what is the common factor? First you did identify the common factor. How much of the common factor is present? Yes, this is a 6 is a common factor. Common factor is 6. This is how much of percentage? 1, 6 is a, this is a 2 because of 6 into 2. I mean sir, 2 into 6, 12. This is a 2 and 1 more is 1%. That make what you identify the formation of representing in empirical formula of this glucose. Yes, CHO. Come and say CH2O. This is the empirical formula of any compounds. How much of possible to get simplified? That is the empirical formula. Clear, students? Okay, first identify the common factors. So next we go into the molecular formula. Molecular formula. See, this is a similarity, but this is vice versa. Okay? So, empirical formula, you did get clearly. So, molecular formula, what they said? Same thing, the formula of a compound which gives the actual ratio of the atoms. Okay, students? Is to change that. Clear? The formula of a compound which gives actual ratio. The molecules is how much containing of molecules or atoms present, that much of actual ratio of the atoms of various elements present in a one molecule of a compound. Clear? So, example you taken. Of the example you taken, same example like H2O2, either glucose C6, H12O6. This is what empirical formula of hydrogen factor into classified 2 is a common factor. So the molecular formula bekandre ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? The molecular formula, we get a molecular formula is equal to common factor. This is common factor is N into empirical formula. We'll get easily the molecular formula. So in H2O2, how much of common factor is 2? In the empirical formula, we'll get what? H2O2. In the same case of this is C H2O into 6. This is called what? C6 H12O6. C6 H12O6. This is the difference of what? Molecular formula and empirical formulas. Clear, students? This is a molecular formula. Exactly how much of molecules were present in an atom. Atoms present in a elements are present in a molecules. That much of atoms will be represented in a molecular formula. But in empirical formula, this is a whole number will be simplest forms. Clear, students? Let me discuss one problematic, then get write the molecular formula and empirical formula. Okay? So, first thing, the last one problem we get answered. A compound contains 4.07% of hydrogen and 24.47% of carbon and 71.65% of chlorine. Its molar mass is 98.96 gram per mole. Right? What are its empirical and molecular formula? Okay, students, this is what one of the compound. A compound in elements galana kottidare. What are the elements? Elements ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Cl, hydrogen ಇದೆ, carbon ಇದೆ, chlorine. Okay? These are the elements. Our percentage of compositions also mentioned. 4.07, 24.47, 71.65%. And the molecules, that compounds, molar mass also mentioned 98.96 gram per mole. This is that compound molar mass. Calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula. A molecule yavadu anta identify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay? So a compound yavadu anta ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So now going to the solution. This is the elements. Which are the elements is hydrogen, then carbon, then chlorine. So write the percentage of composition. percentage of composition ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Yes, 4.07%. Carbon is 24.47. Then chlorine is 71.65% of compositions. Then atomic mass ನೋಡೋಣ. Atomic mass value. How much of atomic mass values in hydrogen atom? 1.008, right? Simplified 1 anta ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Simplify 1 ಆರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So no problem. Then carbon is 12.01, right? 12, and chlorine is 35.5. Okay, students. Next, elements will be identified, composition identified, then atomic mass you get. So next time ಮಾಡೋಣ. Percentage of composition divided by atomic mass. Percentage na atomic mass ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. So first one divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4.07 divided by 1.008. ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4.07. either 1 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 or 1.7, 4.07 ಬಂತು. So next 24.47 divided by 12 will get 2.02 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is 71.65 divided by 35.5 will get what? 2.01 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so next one divide ಮಾಡಿ, divide the value its smallest of them. Means what? ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? 2.01 is the smallest value. In this smallest values you divided in this remaining two terms. Okay, the first one is what you get? 4.07 divided by 2.07. You get the values of molecules compositions. ಎಷ್ಟು molecule ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is 1. Sorry, this is what? 2.01. This is get 2.02. So next 2.02 divided by 2.01. This is called what? 1 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then 2.01 divided by 2.01. This is 1. So next on rounding off. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ. So hydrogen round figure 2 points, the decimal values of neglect the decimal after values 2. This is 1. This is 1. What's it indicated? Hydrogen 2 elements ಇದೆ, carbon 1 elements ಇದೆ, chlorine also 1 elements are present. So then you clarify the empirical formula. So write empirical formula. What are those? So carbon 1 CH2Cl. Carbon ಗೆ 1 ಇದೆ, H2 CH ಅನ್ನೋದು 2 ಇದೆ, C ಅನ್ನೋದು Ca means 1. So you can write this is C1 H2 and Cl. This is the empirical formula. So how did you identify molecular formula? Molecular formula. ಇದು ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಇದರ ಎಂಪಿರಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ CH2Cl ನ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಎಸ್ 12 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ 1 ಇಂಟು say 2 into 1 plus 2 of hydrogen into 1.008. 1.008 and 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Next chlorine is 35.5. Overall we get calculated ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 49.5. Okay students, 49.95. This is molar mass of the compound is 98.96 values ಇದೆ. So 49, this is only the empirical formula but not molecular formula. So molecular formula ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Number of, I mean to say what? This is common factor ಬೇಕು. Common factor ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? n value ಬೇಕು. n value means molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. So clarify. Molecular mass ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 98.96 divided by 49.5. This is calculate ಮಾಡಿ. This is we get a number of what? Common factors. So this is 1.99 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is round figure 2 ಅನ್ಬೋದಾ? Yes. 2 is a common factor. So molecular formula idea for molecular formula n into empirical formula. So n is 2. Empirical formula CH2Cl. So then you write the formula. Yes. C2H4Cl2. This is what? Molecular formula of this compound. Okay students, did you clear? Very simple. Any one of the compound will given. The atom percentage of composition also given. Then molar mass also. Then calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula. First write elements. Which of the elements are present? Then percentage of composition. You can write out in the form of carbon atoms and H2 and Cl. Did not write it CH2CCl. Okay, don't get confused. So elements are present. Compositions you can write atomic mass value also been mentioned. Then percentage of composition divided by atomic mass. Then get the values. In these values, lowest value did identify. Lowest value is 2.01. Then calculate the remaining values. Then get how much elements are present. Then write the empirical formula CHCl. Then this molecular weight we had to identify the molar mass of empirical formula that we get 49. But mention is 98. Then number of factors we get molecular mass by divided the empirical formula. This make will be 1. By chance to get this values is come from 1. That make what? CH2Cl. This is empirical formula and also molecular formula. But this value is 2. 2 make what? This is divided. So multiply by 2 times. C2 H2 4 Cl is 1 divided by 2 and so multiply by 2. This is a molecular formula. Okay students, this is about empirical formula and molecular formula. Okay, then see this is the chart. One more 2 problems. They can solve it and note down.